Hey Siri, slower. So today, get ready with me as I do my hair after work and makeup, quick makeup. Again, I'm always quick. When would I get to learn some more? So I just spray my hair with some water to leave it and conditioner and some oils, especially hairline, because that's where I'm going to neaten up my edges. I also wet my brush. Water is life, so I wet my brush. I use red one, which is edge control, and it smells like bubble gum, so it's like a must. Just put a little bit of brush right out, and this looks one nice for my edges for your edges. See? You put that in, just set that in right there. You go along. Set that out. Sorry, because my brush is seeing a little stress. I'm sure there's a better way, but right about now this is the truth and the light. Okay, see how it lays down? I'll just hold it back. You should really put it in a style before doing this, but if not, you just hold it up. And if you don't got anything to put in your hair, I just wrap it with my own hair. So I just wrap it with 1 or 2 strands, a thick strand or double strand to get the thickness. Wrap it tight, tuck it in, and you have your laid edges. And then a must thing is to set it with your satin bonnet. It is white now, but trust me, it dries down clear. So I put this on it tightly so it will hold down. If I don't want this in my way when I do my makeup, so I just put this to the side, and then I just glide it up like that. Right? The only thing is this is when you're ready to do your makeup would be up to that line. Put on my cute bunny ears. You know, we girls gotta do all pink. Gotta be cute. Again, my Neutrogena water base Hydra Boost that I love. Alberta is dry, so you would have seen these stuff before. Alberta is dry, so you may not need primer, but in case you have oily skin, in case the place is hot, by some happen chance. So yeah. So I added a new thing to my collection from Thanksgiving. I'll show you the Thanksgiving haul here. Not Thanksgiving, Black Friday. This is the Sephora eyebrow setting. Sorry if I'm up. So this is me doing eyebrows quickly. I could do it off camera because you'll have seen these eyebrows numerous lighter shade concealer to give below a pop. I'm working in power, I'm walking miracle, I need a life of favor, cause I know who I am. Take a look and I wonder, no matter what you see now, you see he's going, I know who I am. Take a look at me, I'm a wonder, it doesn't matter what you see now, you see he's going, I know who I am. Oh. Maybelline foundation. All the eyebrow setting and just using this trick to do above. As you turn your head, it just smoothly glides to your shape. So I think that's the easiest way to say it. I will do an eyebrow tutorial class like I did some years ago. I will bring it back. We did have a lot of participants. So you leave that to set. 5:34. Why am I always running? No time for eyeshadow, but I would just smooth out the middle because I don't want a unibrow. And then the edge here because I don't want to mix this brush with the color below. And then top with the flat. This face, yes, my bad. So with the flat side of the brush, you just tap it. Just heavy on the edge but lightly on the top. So it will blend in with the two colors will blend in. Same. So you see the difference. Blended, unblended. And this consists to blend some all the crease. I worship you. I worship you. You are here. So today's episode, God did show up with an appointment I ended up missing by like 10 minutes or like 1 minute, and they said nope. And then I called and got for another place. It was so for the perfect time when I'll be in Calgary. So don't ever give up. Healthcare in Canada is not what people, well, nobody's told us much about this, so I just think it's totally under advertised because it's shit. You have to wait so long. Oh, this is not for kids video, but you have to wait so long to get appointments for anything. What's the point of preventative maintenance if you have to wait? Like what? Oh my God, that is who you are. Now this is a reverse method. I normally put foundation first, but I'm trying this way. Let's see how this works with concealer first. You can see my shade coming in. The cheekbone, the cheek. Contour stick, almost. Contour stick. This. She's the plain brush. As a matter of fact, I'll use the same brush and blend it in. Hero to walk in, promise me, light in the darkness. Say that is who you are. We make a hero to walk in, promise me, light in the darkness. My God, that is who you are. The white away your tears. So this is a concealer only. I'll put some foundation here. Just a little bit. See, a little bit. That is who you are. No. So, see that. Put a little setting powder. A little setting powder, just while I'm just gonna pretend to do something on the eyes. So I'll go for. I still have my Morphe palette by James Charles. I remember my nieces, Kelsey and CL. They were like, "Oh my God, Auntie!" And I was like, "I just bought a Morphe palette. I didn't really know it was so." I was like, "Oh, is that serious?" So just using. Ooh. When you don't have time to blend, just use one dark color and one light color. It's like a two. And use one and just do. You go to the arch of the eye like this. From glory to glory. So a problem I used to do is chunks on, we say chunks in Trinidad, but be mingy. We also say that in Trinidad. Be scarce with my color on the eye. I remember my friend Gina would say, "You didn't put nothing there. You have to put color." So you build it up by putting layer by layer. I hope I wear any blue dress though. That's why I'm wearing it. That's why I put in this color. So you see how pigmented this is? So you literally touch. Literally touch and blow out. So you're smoking out the outside. And make sure they're even. And then a flat color in between. So I flip the brush, flat shimmer. So you could spread it. I would use like a brown to make sure the top is like natural brown powder to make sure it's okay. It's blended. So you don't, oh, it looks like it's dark. Oh, it probably has some dark on it before. Alright, that is enough. And then I will put the eyeliner on top. So I have to see. Oh, this is the eye. Use brown powder. Because once you do under here, see? How are we looking like, people? I will use the blue on the eyeliner. And then mascara. Sorry, but. And this is no filter. No filter. I just gotta put my blush. I have a tinted blush, but I'm not using it today because it would be. Jesus. Highlighter. I use a pink. Again, this is see that lift? Oh my god. Okay. Again, Morphe. I don't know how I end up. Okay. Should I use Urban Decay or this? I think I'll use this because it's only night. Nobody said you can't go extra. So at this point, before I get cussed 10 to 6, I would put on. Ooh, what's this? I use Vaseline because this is a little dark. This is why I use a lip liner. Oh, and I use some Plenty gloss because we like a lecture. So that is it. I will come back with the full style.